Okay student, now we are going to see the different constituent present in the air. So student, you open your textbook, chapter number 9 and the page number 59. So student, here the Earth's atmosphere is made of air that we see. The circle in this picture shows all the air in the atmosphere. If we divide this circle into 5 equal parts, then the oxygen in the air will be equal to one of the part. Here this is the circle. Suppose if we divide this circle into 5 equal part, means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then what we get? The oxygen in the air will be equals to one of the part. We get oxygen is equal to one part of the atmosphere. Apart from oxygen, there are other gases in the atmosphere. Which could those be? Now we will see one by one. So student, the oxygen in the air is used both for burning as well as respirations. Means the use of oxygen gas is for burning as well as for respiration. Now, which are the other uses of air you know about? Means you know other uses of air also. You know about these? Okay. You have learned that the gas that feeds out of soda water is carbon dioxide. This we see in previous chapters, that the gas that fizzes out from the soda water bottle, it is a carbon dioxide gas. This gas is present in small quantities in air too. You have also learned that plants make their food using air and water in the presence of sunlight. When plants make their food, they use the carbon dioxide from the air. Okay student, means what is the use of carbon dioxide gas? When we fizz out the soda water bottle, at that time carbon dioxide gas comes out, and also the main use of this carbon dioxide gas is for the photosynthesis. In the photosynthesis process, means photosynthesis process means what? When plants make their food, at that time that plant use this carbon dioxide gas and release oxygen gas. Okay student, now next, you have seen that when you place ice in a glass and it becomes very cold, droplet of water settle on its outside. This you also always see. When you remove, for example, when you remove bottle from the fridge at that and place it for 1 or 2 minutes, at that time what do you see? You see that the bubbles of water settle outside from that, outside to that bottle. It means that water too is present in air in the form of gas. Means in air water is also present in the form of what? In the form of gas. Now next, however, the largest part of air is made up of still another kind of gas. This gas is called as nitrogen, means largest part of the air is made up of which gas? Nitrogen gas, means largest constituent present in air of nitrogen gas. Okay student. Now thus there are several gases present in the air. In other words, we also say that air is a mixture of several gases. In first lecture of this chapter, we see the definition of air. What is the definition of air? Air is a mixture of different gases or several gases. So see the picture carefully. Are you able to see this picture? What do you see in this picture? You see one circle is given and different color of this circle. Okay student, different part shown by using different color. Okay, blue color shows the nitrogen gas, then orange or red color shows the oxygen gas, and here small quantity of yellow color is also seen. This yellow color shows other gases. This yellow color shows other gases. So student, when from this, what do you say? What we can say from this observation? In largest quantity, which gas is present? Nitrogen gas. Then oxygen gas. And in small proportion, in very small proportion, other gases are also present in the air. Now, if we draw a circle represent air, we get the mixture of several gases like this. So student, you understand these different constituent of present in the air, means different gases that present in the air, and we also study the different use of that different constituent. So student, do you know the burning that takes place in factories, vehicles, stoves in the kitchen, etc. gives out a smoke, and this smoke too mixes with air around us. Here is a picture of smoke comes out from factories. Here smoke comes out while cooking, means stoves in kitchens, then from rickshaws, then from cars, etc. means from vehicles. Smoke comes out. That smoke is also mixes in air, and this leads to the air pollution. So student, you understood this. Now we will see what we have learned in this chapter. Okay. First point is, air is present all around us, even in places that appear to be empty. Next point is, there is a covering of air all around the earth. It is called the atmosphere. The layers of air in the atmosphere close to the earth are pressed closer to each other, while the upper layer are rare. And the last point is, air is a mixture of several gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and water vapors are its main constituent. Okay student, you understood? Always remember one thing, fuels like coal, then petrol and diesel gives out smoke while burning, which mixes with the air, and this can causes ill health. This can cause ill health. Okay, student. So you understood this lesson? Okay. In next video, we will see the exercise of this chapter. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.